Read the end of one. Hey.
Drink that up, let me share what you think. If you think say I lip down nothing, you know, so me I got tie you out.
Oh my god. It's terrible.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle. Today we will be doing a never have I ever with shots. This is my friend Alia, my niece Brittany, and this is my sister Kayla. So, I make sure the sister the back of seal. And I go chew out it in this because we can't really make it burn with stomach. You get me I say? Yeah, no, we know we have to do. We're not first move. That
one more.
Alright. The land is not come down here, so you come like you. Get me so happy.
That one will come on. Just straight out there back, man. Sure.
So, what this game will be is. It's never have I ever with shots, so if you have to tell a story and take the shot. If you haven't, you just put up I have not. I'm going to ask a question. So if I need to refill the rum back up, I will. So the first one is never have I ever snooped through my man's phone.
I have.
Why you do that?
No, I have a man, so I have a man.
We are talking about whether pastor or president come. We have to go to them.
Boy.
Who are going to tell them story first?
We have to tell the story?
I will want to snoop through the man phone. Take up a picture.
Take up a call. Take it up. You never do it? You did never ever? Well?
Never ever. Oh. Bumba. You alright, Ali? Oh, you must be too hot.
Can't hold it.
You don't want what?
Just need a lift off.
What you want? Go to one one.
Sure you can manage this? Or you want to sit out? Man.
More Pepsi, man.
I will leave editing that for me, you know.
Alright.
So, never have I ever kept the coochie from him because I was upset.
You want to while we're drunk tonight, girl?
Jesus.
She a cry.
Never have I ever grabbed his ass.
The whole of you go drunk tonight.
Menua.
I have not. You have not? Come on, you're such a liar. That mom pee-pee. Man, full it wrong.
Nah, full it.
So you're gonna do it like that? Give me 2 singles, please. Twist.
A tup say we wanna we drink up. No, that you're unfair. Guys, you're unfair.
It's about the first shot. We get more shots than you.
I say just swallow that man. No, remember, so you missed the first question.
But I do the one before that answer me empty. Hey, ask a question with someone with
Drink, drink.
Drink. Please, we cannot manage. You feel like me a spitfire.
Alright. Never have I ever touched his ass in public.
Shaky bam bam. You know, she's like, yeah, look at that. Kayla look at you, man. Yeah, man. Kayla do it. So,
Yeah.
They drink it.
Me left here.
Public and a place to do them things.
Exactly. So, no, I have not. I have not.
Finally, a damn question that I can say I've not.
Yeah.
Never have I ever not slept beside him because of how upset I was.
Big time, I'm me upset to stay safe and just can't touch me. You just can't touch me. I sleep beside you, but you just can't touch me. Hi!
My girl, I saw me again.
Oh, there's in there about my chest.
Me and my man can't stay apart. Me and my man can't stay apart when carrying vex. Even when we get 2 seconds later, we that. So,
Well.
we sleep in the same bed no matter what.
Well, I don't know what I'm telling you then. Guess when I'm upset, I'm just really upset. I'm not nobody touch me. I'm not even why you look funny.
Upset, yeah, but just like I just see me, we just want to talk.
Una alright.
Do
You don't know, you come let me take upset to a different level.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Never have I ever pretend that I was sleeping because I didn't want to give him the coochie.
What I say? If you want coochie, me send coochie. Yeah. We have to talk about mama. I don't pretend for nothing. If you want to coochie, I want it too. So I don't add nothing, so I take your body.
Sometimes I'm extra tired. And hey, throw to
Wait, me know, wait now.
Sometimes I'm extra tired. And I'm not drop asleep yet. But I'm still in the bed and say. And then I say, ooh. And I'm asleep. No look around, baby, but just when my body extra tired, you just have to take it serious like how we take it serious.
Alright.
You drink a shot, girl?
But if you know, say I'm not tired, you know, say the pum pum up on
So when
running.
that show? You're too lying. Drink that.
Drink it. Me alone now get drunk in your soul.
Yeah. Stop teeth again. Me while I go drunk.
Yes, sir. If I feel my head start get tipsy, me I listen.
Never have I ever told my close friends how nice it is to be doing the dirty with my man.
What?
Talk to your friend and talk about say, you know, say, we do this and it is nice and girl, me I tell you say.
What?
Hey, pour a shot.
Yo! No, I can't do this so.
No,
sir. It's not happening. That one now go over there. I'm not gonna text. Are you gonna jump before me? I don't need you to jump before me. Come on, try to go far.
You know they fine. No, don't place a phone one day to
Start, me
Okay,
start
right,
and spin. Don't
I like yeah, 10. We don't reach nowhere yet.
Give me a look a cup now.
Oh my god.
Oh, take my cup, baby, love.
I
You
cannot.
drink it. You drink coffee never. You drink coffee for the one.
Yeah, man.
I cannot. I just cannot.
You cannot what?
I cannot get this shit.
That's spin.
No, man, you didn't even say Appleton. That bun off chest. Appleton bun off chest too.
Because he never so bad.
Take you all of this, brother. Bombay.
You drink off your one for never have I ever a while ago?
Yeah.
Should you drink it off, Kayla? I fear
I never
one.
drink it. Why? Don't need me. It's that sweet. That's why I'm not
When you
drinking.
drink it and straight back in there?
I feel numb.
Alright. I know my name, so should drink nothing, man. You're too damn lying. So guys, if this not go up, I make sure I put up that little part here. And she responsible because them agree say them
I
about
drink
me.
my shots. Me I drink my shots. So no bother with it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
So you never drink the shots either?
No, me that pour out.
I'll come here. You go and bring it.
Excuse.
Get up. Bring it red like blood red. No.
Excuse. I don't know feel no way. Drink that, man.
They feel light.
Yeah, my head dizzy up.
Girl, like you, we are wait plan. When
You
you
drunk, you know?
Drink that
Oh,
shot
yeah,
there, come on.
Oh, we are drunk.
You're not drunk.
No,
you can't
I
manage
don't.
it. Yeah, leave.
I can't
with
never drink before.
You never drink before?
No. I drink from bar. I'm gonna drink them something there, man.
Oh, you put more than some of this time. Think when I watch you.
I know me and try to fix it to get my answer.
No, then I get what if I'm used to them.
Come
This man,
on.
I feel like the bank called 20.
I think that expensive rum me I go buy. And I must see that.
I might get
Hey, you don't do that. Maybe just like
I get to do.
maybe just like that
Oh, it takes time, Mercy. I send you. Girl.
Hey, Alex,
read the end. I want. Hey.
Drink that up and sure what you think. If you think say I lick down nothing, you know something I got tie you.
Oh my god. It's terrible.
Hey, take off your foot and man and kick down on the table.
I'm
You
not
know.
drink one, then I'm going to look what you get after.
Me a look.
Donnie, the black.
Yes.
I need to pack Donnie, man. Jesus, got it.
Dylan, some must make it reach up to the flag. You know,
You
then
said
look
I
them. My one no for than fear.
What's
What's
that?
that?
Me said don't make it past the flag. That flag and a half, my friend.
So put it back there.
You want me to show the flag and a half?
No, we have more room for questions. Just take out the
Will not stress me out, you know.
Britney, I'll let on try all of a sudden.
My belly weak go. I cannot take
I saw the week. Jesus.
But I never drink
I know,
first
me
time
not
I
feel.
drink this. I might cup that in and make sure my cup in
You
a
know this one light up my
Pass my cup, yeah.
God,
So my cup is there. Yo,
Move
me
your
see
phone for me now, please.
people- I see
Cause
people
guys.
drunk, you know, I don't know the
I know
feeling,
you
you
know
know,
that the drink is getting less and less in each question.
Yo,
But you need to understand we're a bunch of laggards.
I love when I feel now.
Just drink your better blood clot.
Alright, mother
Me
son.
drunk, yeah?
Oh, move from me some. Take down your foot and mine and kick down the table. Cause if you broke it glass, if you broke it, you bought it. Here?
Come, ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Come then you sit down and I laugh some.
Come here, that's me.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah, man.
Okay, very
Never have I ever sat or kneel in a position to turn him on.
My story is you can't get a teaser like a me. I say me tease, come, always a tease. Sometimes I can't control the tease, just a teaser goes so. You see, before me and my boyfriend start talk, he say every night when I go around so I can spend the next 20 minutes while the thing go down.
You say I'm blue.
Yeah.
You want to straighten them out.
So then the lean.
You want to straighten them out.
Like I said, don't need me take one more shot, me drunk.
Yeah, so that 1 year now.
Run her in.
She don't understand now, but you drink in the bed and then
One you go lay down on the bed and don't lick down nothing. Thank God me put down some of my stuff then, because I don't want to know break up
Jesus,
nothing.
Kayla.
Guys,
You looking at
me, you know, I'm saying,
Guys,
after I'm in the house, short.
first time.
I'm always gonna let me take up something. I'm gonna put over so I'm gonna kneel and take it up so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop. To be honest, sometimes when we vex, me I'll do it to feel bad and because I know you can't take none.
Yeah, so
Man, give the blue, you get what me I say? I make him vex.
You know, good to give them the blue, then we vex to them.
Then no vex. Then he no vex, he make me vex, so him supposed to vex too. What I need to let it to the wind, Alright, are you ready? Alright, now I feel like my head I go somewhere.
One thing when I go somewhere for me, I'm going to go sit down with a bun way.
Have you ever done it at the beach?
Bomba, guys, no, mama, don't. No, sir.
Oi, stand up one place now, please. Sit down. Jesus Christ, you take my shot. How are you just you want this? Move your hand.
Okay, you have some video. I have a drink your shot again.
No, yeah, go sit down and lick down everything. Stay where they are.
On the beach.
Sit down. She need to go lay down. She can't manage no. Me I say, come on, go put her down. Draw the camera. Pause the video.
No, pause it. Just one more.
No.
It's a blue pass, eh?
Drink it. Yeah.
Too much rum that. That's your one.
See them? We are level it out. They get me answer. No. She bright too much. She that one they good. They rank like peace.
No, sir.
Alright, I'm not gonna drop the buckle here. We can't read same way here, guys. My last name I read.
I know girls could have
We can be professional.
I know girls could have done.
My girl, we got tape up your mouth. Me have some duct tape in there. No, take
Don't you
time.
want more glass now?
Yeah,
No.
She come live with them, man.
No, she gonna lick down everything.
I not lick down nothing, brother.
I want you to bring down for the seat.